Hi students, today we are going to discuss CBSE Class 9 Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variables. Our question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. In my previous video, we have already discussed how to frame an algebraic equation. So here, two things are there, notebook and pen. Let's consider the cost of the notebook as X and Y be the cost of pen. See here what's given. The cost of a notebook is, that means X is equal to twice. What's the meaning of twice? 2 times. 2 into the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is Y. And in between a number and a variable, no need to put the multiplication symbol. So we can rewrite it as X is equal to 2Y. This is the algebraic equation. Let's move to the next question. Our second question is, express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. See here, then means a, b and c are the constants. So here we can rewrite this one as 2x plus 3y minus 9.355 etc. equal to 0, because the right side of this linear equation is 0. So that way we have to arrange it. And it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Instead of a, the number 2 comes. Instead of b, the number 3 comes. And instead of c, look at here. Here all are positive. So no need to put the plus sign in the case of a and b. But in the case of c, we must write c as negative 9.355 etc. So what's the value of a? 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9.355 etc. Look at the second one. Here the right side of equal to sign is already 0. So here we can write the linear equation as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. With x, the number 1 comes. That's why here simply we are writing as x. So what's the value of a? A is 1. A equal to 1. Now here negative sign comes. So value of b will be negative. And value of b is negative 1 by 5. Here the numerator is 1y. So b is negative 1 by 5 and c is negative 10. Hope you got the concept. Now let's do the remaining questions also. Let's rearrange the next one. Here the right side of the equal to sign is 6. That 6 also we have to transfer to the left side. So negative 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. And it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So value of a is negative 2, value of b is 3 and value of c is minus 6. A equal to negative 2, b equal to positive 3, c equal to negative 6. Move to the next one. So here variable x term is in the left side and y term is in the right side of the equal to sign. So we have to transform that y term to the left side and constant term is 0. So we can rewrite it as plus 0 equal to 0 because it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now what's the value of a? It is x means it is 1x. So value of A is 1. Value of B is negative 3. Value of C is 0. So A equal to 1, B equal to negative 3, C equal to 0. Moving to the next one, here also the x term is on the left side of the equal to sign and y term is on the right side of the equal to sign. So we can rearrange it as 2x and minus 5y. After changing the position, it will be plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0 because the constant term is not there. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what's the value of A? A is 2, B is 5 and C is 0. A equal to 2, B equal to 5, C equal to 0. Now 3 more questions are there. We will discuss that also. Look at this question here. Y term is missing. So what we have to do means we have to rearrange it as 3x plus y term is missing, so we can rewrite it as 0y plus 2 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What's the value of A? A is 3, B is 0, C is 2. So A equal to 3, B equal to 0, C equal to 2. Look at the next one, y minus 2 equal to 0. Here the x term is missing. So we can write this one as 0x plus y means 1y minus 2 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the value of A? A is 0, B is 1 and C is minus 2. A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to minus 2. Now look at this one. Here the x term is on the right side of equal to sign. What we need, the right side of the equal to sign must be 0. So we can rearrange this as this 2x. After transposing it will be minus 2x and the y term is missing. So we can write this as plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. 5 is already in the left side. Now it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the value of A? A is minus 2, B is 0, C is 5. A equal to minus 2, B equal to 0, C equal to 5. Hope you got the concept, and in the next video we will discuss the exercise 4.2.